Happy birthday, Madam! Maraming salamat sa lahat.
Hapon, Nueva Ecija. At ngayon nga po ay pinagdiriwang natin ang kaarawan ng ating Chief ng CID. At sa ganitong pagkakataon, kami po, ako po si Sir John, ay bumabati ng maligayang kaarawan, Ma'am Jane. At God bless you all po. And maganda po ang tanawin sa likod ko, pero mas maganda ka, Ma'am.
Ma'am Jane, sana po ay bigyan pa po kayo ng maraming tuot ng birthday. Pagpalain po kayo ng buong pong pamilya at maging maligaya po kayo ngayong birthday po. Happy birthday po!
1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Jane! Good health and God bless!
Happy birthday po, Ma'am Jane. Sana po maging masaya po ang inyong birthday ngayong araw po.
Happy birthday po, Ma'am Jane! Wishing you good health and more birthdays to come.
Hi, Madam! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ma'am Jane. Wish ko po good health tapos lagi kang masaya. Love po kita.
Happy birthday, Ma'am, at tunay na pagpapala ang inyong leadership sa aming lahat. Kinakarangal ko po na ako'y membro ng inyong pamilya. God bless you.
Magandang buhay, Ma'am. Maligayang kaarawan po sa inyo. Hangat po namin ang kaligayahan ninyo at sana po magkaroon po kayo ng malakas na pangangatawan para mas madami pa po kayong matulungan. Mwah! Happy birthday!
Hello po, Ma'am Jane. Thank you so much po for everything, for being a mother in CID. We wish you all the best po, good health, and we love you po. Happy birthday po!
Ma'am Jane, happy birthday po. Wish ko po sa inyo ay good health, more happy family Monday, mas lalong maging masaya ang mga susunod na taon ng inyong life. Happy birthday po, Ma'am Jane.
Good morning. Hello po, Ma'am Jane. I would like to greet you a blessed and happy birthday. Wish ko po sa inyo of course good health and more blessings for you and your family. Once again, happy birthday po. Mahal po namin kayo.
Happy birthday po to our CID Chief, Ma'am Jane. We love you po. We are here to support you and always wish you the good health and all the happiness. Happy birthday, ma'am.
Happy birthday po, Ma'am Jane. Good health and God bless you. Hello po, Ma'am Jane. Happy and blessed birthday po. Wish ko po is good health and long life. And sana po always maganda and happy. Choose to be happy po. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Madam Jane. Wishing you good health. God bless you. And mwah!
Hello, ma'am. Happy birthday po. Wishing you the best, not only for your birthdays, but for the years to come. Always remember, love you much. Happy birthday, Ma'am Jane. Salamat po sa isang taon nating pagsasama. At
Wish ko po sa inyong birthday ang good health, good life, and always a happy family. At love niyo po lagi ang CID. Thank you po.
Chief, happy 57th birthday po.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Jane. Good health and God bless.
Happy birthday. Naway, maligaya sa iyong karawan. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. I love you.